Ayun. Hi, newbie talaga ka, no? She's a newbie. Give her a break.
Okay.
Kaya yan, kaya.
Ito, ngayon, kasama ko to. Si Baninay and si Will. Kasi, di ba, merong Will Ninay na sinasabi.
Ano nangyari sa wow?
Totoo ba yun?
Bes, hinahabol pa rin niya yung Wowra, Bes.
Anong gusto mo? Will Ninay o Wowra? Anong reaction mo doon?
Wala daw siyang choice, Bes.
Trade natin tong condo ni Will. Will, papakainin mo ba kami?
Hindi ako ready, but yeah, we have food. Like, ma'am just cooked some stuff, diba?
Not oily food.
No oiling. Are we gonna fight over the oil?
Hi, Father! Welcome back! Hi,
I'm so
Father!
starstruck.
Bless.
How are you, Father? Hello, Father!
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, thank you for visiting our home. It's so nice of you.
Yes, do you have food?
Yes, we have food. Always we have food.
What food?
Take off your shoes.
Well, we have.
No shoes! Ay, sorry!
No, it's alright. My mom's not here, so it's okay.
Shoes! Oo nga, shoes! Sabi po kasi bawal dito ang
You're gonna be
shoes.
banned here forever by Mudra if she sees that.
Ay, okay.
Puro
Wow, red
Puro
rice!
masustansya dito. Like some...
No oily. No
oily
Kasi
foods.
Alam niyo ba kung ba't ako dinominate ni Will? Ito talaga yung revelation. Ba't ba ako dinominate?
Because of the oily foods. Because I want ginajudge nila kami ni Tanner because me and Tanner eat healthy food and her and Jerome and Jesse made the oily. Basta? Wala na. Okay lang, me and
Ali, I saw you deep frying the eggs.
They saw it!
No, it's not me! It's me!
No, she did too. That's why I didn't like Benina in the house either. Okay, literally.
While the eggs are cooking, the oil is going in more and more.
No. Gusto ko lang sabihin they deep fry eggs. Like, ang purpose for oil is so it doesn't stick, not to deep fry it so that it nakalabog yung itlog. Yan lang.
Alam talaga ito si Will.
That literally was like our only, it wasn't even an hour. That was like the only...
Well, first of all, that's what they showed on the edits on PBB. They showed deep frying eggs, and they show Will's face getting all screwed up.
Oh my God, Will. Totoo yun. At syempre, talaga, alam niyo kung sino nagturo sa akin noon, Will.
Benina.
It's me.
The one and only.
Put it like gasoline on.
Yeah, she's the one that started. That I nominated both of them for the oily foods actually.
Ay, wait lang. Alam niyo rin ba, itong babaeng to dinominate niyo kaya magkasama kami ngayon.
Oo, kasi...
Yeah, what was your reason?
Ano? Sige.
Anong sinabi sa PBB?
Alam mo ba, ang sabi sa akin sa PBB, dahil hindi ako marunong makisama.
Was that the
Hindi,
first
yun
time?
yung sinabi. Mawal
Was
yan.
that the first time you were...
Ano sinabi mo?
Sabi ko dahil... Oh, ayun nga.
Awkward.
Awkward talaga si Banina. Yan o. Tandaan niyo yung mukha.
Hindi, ganito talaga yan. Alam ko hindi ka manonominate ate ng ano. Hindi ikaw na lang.
No. Actually, I also had that. I swear to God, I knew
Promise.
you wouldn't get nominated because no one would nominate you, so that was
Kaya
another
ikaw
reason
na
I
lang para
nominated.
hindi ako makatulong sa pag-nominate ng tao.
I agree.
Wow. Pag-good vibes lang sila.
Pa-speechless si ate.
Pag-good vibes lang sila talaga. Okay. Hey guys, follow
Hey,
me.
kamusta guys? Follow me. I need all the subscribers I can get.
Oo, ika-subscribe din sa akin.
Ako din actually, that ako nga nagsasabi nun, di ba? Will, sa'yo yung subscribers ko. Follow nila ako.
Boom. I'll just say hi, everyone. Subscribe to Ali and Mom.
Ang ganda mo kasi Ali ngayon. Anong kinain mo?
Oo nga, nagba-blooming ka ba?
Uy, sobrang blooming mo. Hindi ako nagloloko.
Hindi, dahil nag-eyeliner ako. Ayun no, nag-ano.
Ali, alam mo in PBB, I tried to make us a love team in the beginning.
Talaga?
Yeah, did you know that? But you weren't feeling it. It didn't work. Literally, I don't know what they showed. I don't know if they showed it. Did they show it on TV, like in the beginning? Yung sinasabi ko, they're like, do you think anyone's cute? And I was like, yeah, I think Ali's cute, you know?
Oo, kinuwento na niyan sa akin ni legit yan. Hindi dahil nandito ka
And
lang.
then I
Yung
tried
talaga
to make it a
totoo
love team, and then I just, wala.
Kasi may wawra ka na.
Hindi, late na yung Maura. Ikaw yung first.
Kasi may Will Ninay
Pero
ka
ako
na.
ang last best.
Ay, totoo yan. Alam mo, may totoo doon. Abangan niyo yan.
Joke lang po.
Abangan niyo yan kasi may totoo doon. May revelation sila. Anong totoo?
Anong totoo?
Anong totoo sa inyong dalaw ng Will Ninay? Dito kayo.
Ha?
Anong totoo sa Will Ninay?
We're friends. Ay, showbiz.
Anong totoo? Totoo. Sige na. Yun ang gusto nilang malaman eh. Di ba? Kaya nga YouTube.
Sige, ito
She's
talaga
my
totoo.
bestie. She's the bunso of her
Para
family.
akong kapatid ni Kuya Will at anak ako ni Pudra.
That's the totoo.
Pudra, anong reaction mo doon sa...
Alan, look, my first vlog.
He's plugging himself.
My first vlog.
He's plugging himself.
So I hope I can grab all your subscribers to my first vlog.
You probably have more subs than this kid.
Me too, me too, me too.
I only have 88.
I have 100 plus.
No, you have 300.
I have 300 na.
300.
And he
What's
has
your end?
mga
I have
300,000.
300 as well.
300,000. Kaya nga kailangan ko yung 300,000.
Wait, tanongin mo si Pudra tungkol sa Will Ninay.
Pudra.
Let me stop my vlog. Hold it. And please subscribe, and I'll subscribe to yours.
Yeah. Of course, Pudra. Okay,
What
Pudra.
may I do for you, Ali?
Okay. Q&A time about Will Ninay. Pudra, can you speak Tagalog?
Konti.
Oh, yun naman pala. Pinahirapan ako ng Pudra. Pudra. Pudra, anong masasabi mo sa Will Ninay?
I think it has a nice ring to the name. It's a good ring. Well, Ninay. But as far as what it means, I have no idea.
Showbiz.
Relationship-wise, Pudra. Will Ninay. What's the truth?
Oh, I see. Oh, it's like those Filipino love team
Yes,
things.
yes.
Oh, well, it's all entertainment, isn't it? Isn't that what
Oh, showbiz! Yung itsura nila, oh. Tuwa sila. Showbiz.
Pudra,
The best. What? More.
Well, I can tell you personally that I like Beninay to come around. She's very entertaining. She doesn't clean. She obviously doesn't cook unless there's a lot of oil around. I hope to get some of our subscribers to my new channel, by the way. Steve Dosovich has a vlog.
shameless plug.
Thank you, Beninay.
Okay. Sige, mamaya mga more revelation pa. Kasi si Will ready na siya mag-reveal. Wowra. Balina yan po sabi mo sa Wowra.
Nakakakilig. Nakakaba.
Totoo yan. Nakakasura daw. Oh, sige.
Joke lang po.